Three uncommonly Filipino words. The first is bulalakaw. In English shooting star, the definition of bulalakaw, a celestial body that streaks across the sky. Example sentence, may bulalakaw na dumaan sa langit kagabi. The second is hatinig. The definition of hatinig, a device used to communicate with someone over a distance. Example sentence, gumamit ako ng hatinig upang tawagan ang aking ina sa ibang bansa. The last and commonly Filipino words is salabat. In English, ginger. The definition of salabat, tea made from ginger often served as a remedy for coughs and cold. Example sentence, uminom ka ng salabat para gumaling ang iyong ubo.
Gumaganda ang paligid.